Hello guys, this dog walks with only 3 legs. His fourth leg is so broken he cannot even place it on the ground. But today we meet him again and his eyes spoke of hunger. For a moment we tried to ease his pain by offering him some food. We are not just feeding this poor limping dog. We are trying to give him a better life for the past several days. We have been making every possible effort to get his severely injured leg treated. His condition has deeply disturbed us, and finally, we have made contact with a place that has agreed to help. Very soon, we will get his leg treated properly. We are hopeful that once treated, this dog will be able to stand again on all 4 legs and regain the joy of living. To us, he has not just another stray, he is a voiceless friend deeply connected to our hearts. When we meet him again today, he looked at us like he recognized us, like he was starting to trust us. His condition is still the same. One of his legs is completely useless. He cannot even place it on the ground, yet, with the strength of his remaining 3 legs, he hobbles toward us slowly, full of silent pain. Our viewers had been requesting again and again that we feed him some meat, so today we brought meat specially for him. I put on gloves, placed the meat in a clean bowl, and tore a flatbread to eat. We were sitting across the road. I got down onto the bricks and gently approached him with the bowl in my hands. The moment I offered him the food, he lunged at it. He was that hungry. He devoured the meat as if he had not eaten in days. We let him eat peacefully while I quietly watched him, feeling the pain behind his silent eyes. After he finished eating, I spent some time sitting near him, gently petting him, and carefully removed 2 or 3 ticks for his ears. We have met this dog a few times before, and with each visit, he has growing more familiar with us. He has begun to accept us. Our bond with him is not just based on sympathy, it's built on love and trust. We want him to live a safe life, to feel less pain, and to be given the dignity that every living being deserves. If you also feel compassion for animal like him, then please watch this video to the end, share it and help us spread awareness. Together we can create a kinder tomorrow for those innocent souls. Have we ever truly thought about the animals wandering over streets, those with broken legs, empty stomachs, and no one to care for them? What kind of life do they live? Their pain, their hunger, their loneliness. Does it mean nothing just because they cannot speak? They suffer in silence, unable to cry out, unable to ask for help. These voiceless souls feel pain too. They deserve care, compassion, and dignity just like any living being. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, and be a part of this mission. Every subscribe, every share, every follow, it could help save a life. Thank you everyone for watching my complete video. Thank you again everyone.